Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zuora Billing Review My Usage Experience. Zuora Billing Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive review and analysis of your Zuora billing data. It's aimed at businesses using Zuora for subscription billing, helping them understand their spending, identify potential savings, and optimize their billing processes. Key features likely include data visualization, cost analysis, and perhaps even anomaly detection. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. They emphasize ease of use and data-driven insights to improve billing efficiency. The service boasts transparent pricing, with no hidden fees mentioned, although specific pricing is best checked directly on their site. They claim to offer superior reporting compared to standard Zuora reporting tools. Availability is likely tied to Zuora's user base. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zuora Billing Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I simply connected my Zuora account using their secure API integration. The process was clearly outlined, and it took less than 5 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard presents a clear overview of my spending across different subscriptions and customer segments. I particularly appreciated the customizable reports. I was able to quickly generate a detailed breakdown of our highest cost customers, allowing us to target specific areas for cost optimization. The performance was excellent, reports generated quickly, even with a large dataset. I had a quick question about a specific metric and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the ability to easily compare billing data across different periods. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to access the tool from my desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zuora Billing Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool that has significantly improved our understanding of our billing data and helped us identify areas for cost savings. That's my overview of Zuora Billing Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.